Introducing the stunning 2026 Volkswagen Golf R Line 2.0 TDI with only 3,500 km on the clock. This sleek black estate boasts a powerful 150 horsepower engine and top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and collision avoidance braking. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and lane departure warning. Not only does this vehicle look great, but it's also packed with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, electric windows and wireless charging. The security features like smart card entry and trailer stability program give you peace of mind on the road. This Golf has been fully inspected, serviced and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this incredible vehicle, visit our website at mullingarautos.ie or give us a call today.